Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove those vertical lines in Tradingview. These lines can sometimes clutter your chart. We will walk you through how to turn them off for a cleaner view. On your Tradingview supercharts, if you see vertical lines, the first thing to do is remove the indicators. Sometimes these lines are indicators showing on your chart. To remove indicators, simply click Remove Objects in the left part of your toolbar. From here, you can remove drawings and indicators. As you can see, they have now been removed. Another option applies if you have session breaks. You may notice these purple broken lines. These are session breaks. To remove them, right-click on your chart, go to Settings, and then turn off session breaks. As you can see, there are no more session breaks. Your chart is now much cleaner with no lines cluttering your view. That is how we remove vertical lines in Tradingview. With this simple adjustment, we can keep our charts clean and easy to read.